We're back out here, and I'm going to do a proper walk around of the truck since I put the rims back on it and I did some more stuff to the truck like I said I was going to. But here it is. Got cleared out headlights, got the rims back on there, smoked out Recon cab lights in white. Went ahead and took off the running boards. Looks a little cleaner in my opinion. Still got the blacked out windows. I think the next thing I'm going to do is my tail lights and third brake light. So I'm going to get this smoked out. Custom license plate. And then the license plate cover says Cummins. But it's getting late now. Just want to do a quick walk around of it. Again. Big old exhaust tip on there. Still need to wax it, but it's been washed up. Not looking too bad. But we're going to get going here and fire it up. I'm out here in an abandoned store lot, just to give you a walk around the truck at nighttime, show you the lights. But here it is at nighttime. So the 8 rock lights on it, the whited out cab lights, headlights. These are the same rock lights that I gave away. So they're extremely bright. The Recon smoked cab lights in white LED. that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked the truck, and if you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe and like the video.